When you need a good amount of time to answer discussion questions, we highly recommend that you compose your answer in Microsoft Word and save a Word file on your computer. From the previous tutorial, we showed you how to copy the discussion questions from Blackboard to a Microsoft Word file on your computer. This tutorial shows you how to copy your discussion response from a Word file to a discussion topic. After you have completed your discussion response, you will log on to Blackboard and go to your course. You may go to the discussion topic from the navigation bar, a folder, or a learning module. This tutorial shows you how to get to the discussion topic from a learning module. Click on the learning module, week 1. You see the discussion topic. Click on the discussion topic title to enter the discussion page. Your professor may set up the discussion to allow students to post a message before seeing other messages. Click on Post a response to the discussion text. You have opened up the content editor. Click on the File Explorer. Locate your Word file. Double-click on the file to open. Highlight your response. Select Copy. You may also use Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard to copy the text. Go back to Blackboard. Go to the Content Editor. Right-click on the text box. Select Paste. You may also use Ctrl+V keys on your keyboard to paste the text. Click on Post. Your response will be displayed as the first message right underneath the description box.